Guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Netflix from your computer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete Netflix from your computer, you just simply have to go into your computer setting, and then after going into settings, you just simply have to choose the app settings into here, and after coming into app section, just simply select apps and feature that you have installed into your computer. Just simply scroll down until you see the Netflix application into your app section, and whenever you see the Netflix application, there will be these three dots beside the application details. Just simply tap into that three dot and you will get the option of uninstall. Just simply tap into that uninstall button and click to uninstall again. And after doing this very easy step, your Netflix will successfully be uninstalled from your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.